The highly anticipated cultural extravaganza, the Monolith Festival, finally got off to a start at the picturesque Khasi Heritage Village in Moplang on Thursday. The festival is showcasing the rich culture and heritage of Khasi communities, such as the cuisine, customs, attires, besides local administration are concerned. The festival, a vibrant extravaganza spanning 3 days from March 7 to 9th, is set to commemorate 54 chieftainships, promising and enchanting immersion into the rich tapestry of Khasi culture, featuring an array of art, craft, cuisine, music and dance. During the inaugural function, local dances like Shat Thma and Shat Sajer, besides performance from local bands, enthralled the crowd.
The festival, Manlaus, Munday Banput, Watang Suspenru. Naman kibabon ba kibakwa banyoi, baru bantip, ya kajinglom kajingman, jom mangi hangli amegla kiritpat, ikwa bandakho dakikot isla, bakikwa aru ban peninuksa, siya kapurtay jokarin dia barokaway.
The Indian Air Force today organized